Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in Device Manager. Best match to go back with Device Manager. Go ahead and just left click on that one time to open it up. And now you want to expand the network adapter section by double clicking on it. And then locate your network connection listed in here. So just right click on it. Select Update Driver. Select Search Automatically for drivers. And it says the best drivers for your device are already installed. So you can also search for Windows Update drivers as well by selecting the second option there. Another thing we can go ahead and try here would be to open up the Start menu again. Type in Troubleshoot. Best match should come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Select additional troubleshooters on the right side. And then select Internet connections, find and fix problems of connecting to the internet or to websites, and select that option. So you can go ahead and try and troubleshoot your connection to Microsoft.com there, and it'll try and connect you to it. So in our case, I wasn't able to find a problem because there isn't a problem, but it's worth a shot for you guys. And then one final thing, if nothing's working for you, you can try opening up the Start menu and just do a network reset. So just type in network reset here. I'm going to go ahead and select that. Please make sure you have your Wi-Fi credentials nearby because we're going to reset our Wi-Fi settings. Because we're going to reset our network adapter, meaning once you restart your computer, you're going to have to enter back in your login credentials for your Wi-Fi password. So just make sure you have that handy. We're going to go select Reset Now, and it's going to ask you sure you want to reset your network settings. Select Yes. You're going to have to save and close any open programs you have on your computer because your computer is going to automatically restart in 5 minutes. But we're just going to manually just close out of everything, and then we're going to restart here. Okay, there you go, guys. Simple as that. You might be prompted to select your network settings over here, but other than that, you guys should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.